Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your mic not working on your Windows PC. Here I'm using Windows 11. The same method is similar if you are using Windows 10. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how to do it. First of all, you go to your settings, go to privacy, scroll all the way down and locate to where it says microphone. Make sure you enable permission for the specific apps that you want to use your microphone for in this section. For instance, if you want to use your microphone for camera or Cortana, you make sure it's turned on. If this fix didn't work, you have a plan B. Go to control panel. On your control panel, look for sound. You go to recording tab and touch your mic to know which one is ready. If you have another mic plugged in, just click on it and set as default. Right now your mic should be working.